Actually, that's a good picture. Hang on. Smells good and someone's playing the flute. Very enchanting. We're on our way to Black Balsam Knob. Can you hear the bees over my breathing?
Yes.
Oh wait, there's the ravens again. Man, there they are. They're far off. As soon as we get up close to them, they take off.
Actually labeled on Google Maps.
This trail is. Look at all the bees. Flowers. They're so pretty. And that's our destination. Boop. We made it. We're up at the top. And there's the view.
Yay. It was lovely.